Hello, my name is Shane Plange and I'm 9 years old, and today I'm going to tell you about extreme weather. Let's get started with the water cycle. The water cycle is how water gets from the sea to your tap. First, the sun shines on the ocean and it evaporates. This means the water gets so hot it turns into gas. Then this gas forms into clouds and drifts along for a while into the cold air of the Earth's atmosphere. They get so full of what is called water vapor, they start to rain. All this water comes down and trickles into lakes and rivers. Then it is cleaned, runs down the pipes into your tap. You switch on the tap and put it into the cup and then drink it. So that's how we get water. However, in some countries, you cannot get much water as there is so much sun that it dries out all the water. This is called a drought. A drought is when there is no water for a short period or long period of time. No water to drink or grow food or wash with. This can also lead to what are called famines, which is where there is no food. And these can be caused by a drought because there's no water in the soil to grow the plants. Earthquakes. I'm sure you've all heard of earthquakes, but do you know what to do if there is one? Well, you would stand up, tuck in your chair, and hide under the table until the earthquake was over. There was an earthquake in India, in the Indian Ocean, quite long ago now. Even a movie was made about it. Then, in 2015, there was an earthquake in Nepal, where Mount Everest is. This caused avalanches and measured 7.9 on the Richter scale, which is what earthquakes are measured on. Very, very recently in Blackpool, there was a minor earthquake. This measured 1.5 on the Richter scale. This is so small you wouldn't even have felt it. But how do earthquakes begin? Well, do you know the layers of the Earth? We have the crust, tectonic plates, inner core and outer core. The tectonic plates are the things that cause earthquakes. They move gradually underground. Every year they move a couple of centimeters. Then, when two plates come together, they become jammed and rub. This creates an earthquake, but sometimes they can grow up high and form a great large mountain. Typhoons. Typhoons are storms, tropical storms that usually happen in the Pacific or Atlantic Oceans, mainly the Atlantic. They're basically very large tornadoes with heavy rain. These can cause tsunamis, which are humongous waves. These can be deadly if you're caught up in one. They can drown you. One hit in Asia. It struck Indonesia and Sri Lanka, killing thousands of people. Lastly, volcanoes. You must have heard of volcanoes, the great big things that erupt steaming hot lava and kill thousands with their choking smoke, ash, hot pumice, and deadly lava. The eruption in Pompeii is one of the volcanoes that have happened in the past, when Vesuvius of Pompeii, a part of the Roman Empire, erupted, killing thousands and thousands of people. Earthquakes don't take very long to finish. The longest one lasted only 10 minutes. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Thank you for listening, and I shall make more soon.